Hey, quick tip here for your hood hinges. When you see hood hinges here, okay, and you're having a problem where it won't open after it's stuck, it's because of this thing right here. You need this thing. So if you open the lever from here, you open that and you unlock it from your inside under the dash from this, it's supposed to stay like that because of this retainer metal pin. And I found out that I was missing a bolt for it, so I went and I put one and I fixed the back. I adjusted the hood because for many years it's been rubbing right there where you can see that bald spot of metal, and I didn't know that. I thought I had to replace this or that, the whole thing, just the whole thing. I thought I had to replace it, and I do not have to do that. All I have to do is just make sure this is tight so it goes up and down just like it does, and that's good.